You filled my heart with love, showed me the light above. Now all I want is to be with you. You are my one true love, taught me to never judge. Now all I want is to be with Allah. على حبيبك نبيك مصطفى اللهم صل على سيدنا مصطفى